Hello everyone, my name is Justice and today I'm gonna be doing a quick review on this 2018 Ferrari 488 GTB. And this is what the front of the 2018 Ferrari 488 GTB is like. It's a beautiful car. Now this car is currently on sale here at Park Place for $228,888. Look at the beautiful brake calipers, and on the this is what the back of the 488 GTB is like. I love those beautiful lights. Double exhaust. And this Ferrari 488 GTB is powered by a twin turbo premium leaded 3.9 liter V8 engine. And this is a two-door, and this beautiful and massive engine is paired with a 7-speed automatic shift and manual transmission. This is what the interior of the 488 GTB is like. Simple interior, but powerful. This is what the interior is like. That's the button for you to start your engine, and over there you see all the control. Now this 488 GTB, the 3.9 liter V8 engine produces 660 horsepower, and for MPG, 15 miles to a gallon in the city and 22 miles to a gallon on the highway. And this GTB weighs about 3,252 pounds. And if you are wondering how fast can this Ferrari 2018 Ferrari GTB can go, this Ferrari GTB has achieved a top track speed of 211 miles per hour, and it can accelerate from 0 to 60 in about 2.7 seconds for the coupe, and the 488 Spider 2.9 seconds. Now, beautiful iconic Ferrari headlights. You might be wondering, this is what the front end is like. And on the back we have the Ferrari logo right there. Double exhaust. That's the reverse light. So what do you think about this 2018 Ferrari 488 GTB? Please tell me what you think. Leave your comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell notification icon and like this video so that it can reach more people. And I will see you all next time. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you.